Hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to share with you a step-by-step tutorial of how you can actually make money with ClickBank. But if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, and related topics. So if this is something that you really want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. Remember that I'm going to be talking about how you can make money with ClickBank, and this is going to be a step-by-step training. But if you really want to know what is my favorite way to make money online, my number one income source, I'm going to leave the link below. It's going to be the very first link in the description. Now let me go back to the topic. As you know, ClickBank, it's a really good marketplace. They do have tons of products. Some of them are digital products and others are physical products. By the way, if you do not know this and you are not sure like which is the niche that you're gonna cover, first of all, let me put this clear. Okay, you need to be passionate about your niche, okay? But if you're not sure which one do you want to go with, the most profitable niches are relationship, health, and wealth. Okay, so try to grab something of those niches because these are the ones that people are actively looking for solutions. That's the reason why people are making tons of money with this. As you can see here on the ClickBank marketplace, I do have different categories. I choose the one that is health and fitness. Okay, let me show you something really fast. It doesn't matter if you do not speak English or you do speak any other language. You can choose the language here. You can choose if you want to make money on recurring income. If you want your offer or the offer that you're going to be promoting have a $1 trial, it's going to have a one-time payment. And here are all the categories. As you can see, they do have some categories as well. For the purpose of this training, I decided to go generic with the health and fitness niche. My suggestion is, okay, whenever you decide or you're trying to find a product that you're going to promote, especially if you're just getting started, choose gravity here on the sort results by. Okay, this is when it's gonna list the products that are converting better. Okay, and try to find products that have affiliate page. Okay, what's this affiliate page are? These are actually resources that the owner or the creator of the product is gonna give you. It's gonna give you as an affiliate marketer, so you don't have to be wondering. Well, most of the time they give you everything, including the lead magnet, the email swipes, the keyword ads, the keywords that you can use on the ads, if you're doing SEO as well. So you're gonna have all the resources. So that's one of the things that I usually advise people to go with. So as you can see, this product has as well resources. So okay, for the purpose of this training, I decide to join in this one, the Red Detox Tea. Why? Because it's giving me everything, including the lead magnet. As you can see here, I have the free ebook. It's giving me images about the product. So if I want to promote with product, and it's giving me images with the funnel, with the bonuses that they are giving you as well. So I have all the resources here, even way more resources. Okay, even way more resources. As you can see here, I have the banners, product images, videos, email swipes. So this is really great because, as I mentioned, if you are just getting started and you're not sure how you're gonna promote or how to write an email, we know videos convert really well, but maybe you are not sure, like, okay, what I'm gonna say on my emails, what I'm gonna say on my videos. So you can model this, right? Or you can use it as it is. As you can see, they have been around for a while, and they say that the emails usually converts between 7 and 9%. What does this mean? It means that, okay, you're gonna be getting sales. Here are the original email swipes, and as you can see, they do evolve. And let me show you the keywords. If you decide to invest here, they actually make a research for you on the monitor services. The CPC is click cost per click. Okay, so really great. That's why I'm showing you the red tea detox. Okay, the red tea detox. Again, this is my suggestion if you are just getting started with ClickBank affiliate marketing, and as you can see, there are tons of products and you are not sure how to go with. Try to have one that can give you everything. You can use this as it is, or you can model it. Okay, now that I know this, my recommendation is it doesn't matter if you're going to go with paid traffic or you're going to go with free traffic. We always need to capture people's emails. Okay, that's a fact. No one is there with the wallet like, hey, you know what, I'm ready to invest right now. It doesn't matter what is going to show up, I'm going to buy. It doesn't matter how in need the person is, how desperate. We are not that like that. So someone needs to see your offer between 7 to 10 times before they decide to go ahead and take the step. Okay, before they decide to go ahead and take the step. So that's why we're going to use the free ebook. As you can see here, they do have the PDF. If you want to edit it here, they give you the edited version. I do have here the cover. Okay, I do have here the cover, and there is another, the ultimate guide of the toxin. So I do have two options that I can go ahead and jump in. By the way, you need to create a funnel. This doesn't need to be something extremely difficult. I'm gonna be using Builderall. This is my favorite sales funnels. It's an all-in-one marketing solution, so really affordable. And the time I'm recording this video, the price is $29.90, and you're gonna get the funnel builder, you're gonna get the email autoresponder. So we're gonna get the two things that we actually need. I'm gonna leave a link below. I'm also gonna leave a link so you can check out the bonuses that I'm giving if you decide to go ahead and give it a try with my affiliate link. Okay, so we're gonna do right now is that we're gonna go here to the builders, then we're gonna go to a drag and drop cursor builder, and you're gonna click here where it says sales funnels. As you can see, they do have several pre-made funnels, okay, that they know that they work. But with this time, we're gonna go with the lead magnet funnel. Why we're gonna go with the lead magnet funnel? Because we are gonna be giving away a freebie. For this example, we're gonna give away this free downloadable ebook. Okay, we're gonna go with this free downloadable ebook. So now, as you can see, here is my lead magnet funnel. It says that it's gonna have 2 pages, and I'm gonna be editing it in about 10 minutes. Here there is a video of how it's actually gonna work, and here is basically a blueprint which says that we're gonna drive traffic, we are gonna, you know, show people the lead magnet, and we are gonna guide them to the thank you page. Remember, really important that we need to send emails because we need to do follow up with them. We do have two pre-made templates. We can choose the one what we like the most. Let's say that I'm going to go with this one. By the way, you don't have to use these pre-made templates. If you want, you can start from scratch, but I'm teaching you what you can do if you do not have any prior experience, you know, using this tool or any other funnel builder out there on the market. But as I told you, this is my favorite one because it's really easy, really simple. You're gonna see this in a minute. It's actually drag and drop. Here are all the pages that I need. The system already created them for me. Here is my lead magnet page and my thank you page. Okay, so why do I love Builderall? Because as I mentioned before, it's a drag and drop solution. Let's say that I don't want to have a logo. I can literally click it, delete it, and I can move this to the top. Okay, seems I'm gonna be using the lead magnet. This is really easy, you know, to change it. What we're gonna do right now is that I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna delete the image, and I'm gonna put my own image. Actually, it's not my own image because the system, the Red Detox, provided them to me. So this is really big. Let me put it a little bit smaller. Here, I'm gonna move it here because there is where I want the image to be. So I'm gonna click here where it says change image, and what I need to do right now is that I need to upload the image that I'm gonna be using. Okay, here are all the images that I actually have uploaded, but let's say that I want to create a section that is going to be covering tutorials, right, and directory, right, and I want the image to be actually there. Oops, I almost remove it. So I'm going to click here upload. I'm going to find my image. This is the one that I'm going to be using. I'm going to upload it. Boom. The system is compressing it. It's gonna be making sure that My image is gonna be optimized for a website, so that's another cool feature about Builderall. Now I'm gonna click here where it says confirm, and boom, I do have here the image. I'm gonna move it whatever I want it to be. So I can add a catchy headline. This is like Microsoft Word, so as you can see here, you can bold, italic, you can choose the colors, you can change the font size, you can change the font that you want to use. So let's say that you want to replace it. The only thing is that you need to delete this and type whatever you want. So as simple as that. Again, if you don't want your text to be there but you want to move it to another place, you can do it here. So let's say that we already edited here. Let's say that we already did here. We have the text that we want, everything. Okay, fantastic. Now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna edit the thank you page. Let's say that we already edited here and we have the text that we want, as I mentioned before. So this is gonna be the ebook that they're gonna get. I have two options. I can download it to my computer and I can upload it to Builderall. It's not that complicated, or I can add the link so people are gonna land on this ebook if they decide to go ahead and edit and grab a copy. Okay, so here I'm gonna have a thank you page. What I usually suggest people is to have two call to actions. Okay, it's to have two call to actions. If you can record a video thanking people like, hey, hey, my name is Diana Castillo and thanks for downloading this free guidelines. Okay, the link is going to be below if you really want to go ahead and download it. If not, I'm going to send it to the email right away. And also, if you're serious about this, you can grab the a copy of the Red Detox product or the Red Detox ebook. As you can see, I invite them to go ahead and do a second step. So you can do that as well. It's not hard with Builderall. If you want to add another button, you can actually literally copy and paste it. So nice. And let's say that you want to edit it here. So you want to configure the action. What the action is going to be. So you're going to click here where it says right click, then click here where it says action. And as I told you, if you want, you can upload the document, you can download the PDF and upload it to Builderall, and you can click here where it says document, or you can put the URL here right away. Also, you are going to go here and click promote, so you can grab your own link, and you're going to put that action on the second bottom. Okay, something really, really, really important. Diana, what about the email swipes? Okay, as I told you, we are gonna go with uh, this product, the Red TD Talks, because they provide us the email swipe. So what I can do is that I can click here and they are gonna give me all the emails sequence that I need. They usually give you everything between 7 to 10 days because, as I mentioned before, every affiliate marketer or experienced marketer know that we need to have a lot of contacts with these people. Okay, we need to have a lot of contacts with these people before they actually make the purchase. And as I told you, okay, it's not complicated to configure here with Builderall because they do have their own mail autoresponder, which is Mailing Bus. Okay, it's already included in the 29 package, or you can go with the 49 package, which is the business plan. That's the one that I'm actually using because it's have way more features. So for me, it was like a no brainer. So now, first let me save it. So I'm gonna save it here, and I'm gonna show you Red Detox tutorial 1. Okay, let me save it because I want to show you how easily you can configure it. Okay. Let me click here. By the way, whenever you're using a funnel, automatically the system is going to be building an email list that you can go ahead and work with. So I'm gonna go click here, and then I'm gonna go here where it says configure, and here they are the different autoresponders that you can integrate it. If you are currently using one and you do not see it here, don't worry, you can click here where it says other platforms. But let's say that I'm gonna go ahead with Mailing Bus. Okay, so here I have different you know, list that I can go with. Let's say that I'm going to go with this one. Boom, that's it. There is it. Now you have it configured. If you want to configure the emails that are going to show up, it's not that complicated. You're going to click here where it says mailing box autoresponder, and you are going to follow the steps. So you're going to add the emails that are going to be here. Okay. Now that we have our page up and running, let's say that we already have it up and running, everything is as we want, we need to drive traffic. Okay. You are going to have different traffic sources. My suggestion is, if you're on a budget, my suggestion is that you first, you can go with Facebook, and you can be, or you can add yourself to different Facebook groups related to your topic. You can provide value. If there is someone, who is asking for help about, in this case, detoxing, hey, do you know which are the best teas, the best shakes? Is there any pills? You can provide them value, and you can tell them like, hey, you know what, if you find this useful, there is this other, or you can let them know like, hey, you know what, there is a great PDF or a great guideline about detoxing. Do you mind if I send you the link? It's 100% free, so you're gonna send the link to this page. So you're gonna be capturing the email, and you know by fact that that person is 100% interested of what you're offering. So there are a lot of people out there. You can create also your own Facebook group. You can create a YouTube channel. That's what I suggest you to make sure that you're going to be on a niche that you really feel passionate about, because you can create content like with tips and tricks about how to be detoxing or any other product, that you're really interested about promoting. So if you have questions related to this, click the link below. Sorry, comment and leave a comment in the comment area. And if you find this information helpful, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to help me. It's going to help my video. It's going to help my channel. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you on the next video.